Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dragon Ball Legends error code TK100701-20474. The error reads, "This account is already linked. Please use a different account from an external service." As per our research, the error appears when players try to link their Bandai Namco ID or any other external service account to their Dragon Ball Legends account. According to our research, the error occurs when the external service account you're trying to link is already linked to a different Legends account. It may also appear if you're trying to link the same type of account that is already associated with your Legends account. This linking restriction is part of the system's rules, and a single external service account can only be linked to one Legends account. The first thing you should do is check the link status of your external service accounts and Legends account. Make sure there are no conflicts and that you're not trying to link an account that is already connected elsewhere. If the error still comes, then you can try creating a new account and use it to link. So try this and see if this helps. If you are done with all these steps, but still facing the error, then we suggest you contact Bandai support and report the issue for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.